haka khat pratrik nailar ka kenhun ka papin tibet ye ki samla ki bedana ka thong banlong ki model ni ki thei bat ki rang pin inam ye ki riam ki bet bat kumju ka kam akplim ka bala tip kum ka Glamsnap kala pin banaban pelong ye ka rensan ka baning kong ka ni ka jala ye ka bala tip kum ka Mr and Miss Glamsnap arja khat rio haka arpho trik mentau nailar haka ni kanong ba Shillong hapa kren ni kinong patai ku bon nen ka singe Shillong Press Club social media branding ka Wizardtron Nazim Sheikh ulai thu bakani karensan pin inam ekiriam ki bet ini shembentani khatsangot ki samla kentei pachenrang kinomi khmat jong ka non Glamsnap ki le thu ru ba Glamsnap kan sapelong ru ekarensan ye kop jong kilong kimi ki bababrio bat pro jabieng ni ka Mrs North East bat nakani karensan sajet pat ye kilong kimi ki ban le shembenta saha ka Mrs India shosho ka kinhon Glamsnap klai thu ru bau nai weng mentau snam kani ka kinhon kan sapelong ru ye ka winter fashion week hakba ki nong sain dor ye kiriam ki bet ni ki fashion designer bapaw na keleng ki jala jongkari kin sawan ye shembenta hakani karensan.
We would also be having, after Mr and Miss 2016, we would be having Mrs Northeast, and that gives an opportunity for all the women who have probably missed out in their teens or in their journey, and it's kind of a reinventing themselves. Okay, now your question would be like, what is the use of being Mrs Northeast? Everyone has got a dream, that okay, they can go ahead and achieve or they want to achieve few things. So Glamsnap is going to be providing a platform that will also go ahead and cater to all Mrs India, for Mrs India, so they can go ahead and compete again, as I told you, with along with the Pan India contestants. Okay. And second, we are going to be having a fashion week that would be coming up, a winter fashion week. That's something new, all right, which will be for Shillong. We can have the other cities, other states, which are among this area, and this will be purely showcasing the designers. The talent that would be designers, okay, they will be showcasing their work. Models will be there that would be again being trained by Glamsnap. So the models will be trained by Glamsnap. They will identify the models, and designers would be coming up from various different cities and towns. Okay, and we are giving them a platform to go ahead and showcase their products.